dismissed for Reba's kids. They just brought us. So I called. She's supposed to get the big one. Take it.
And I have another thing covered. Okay.
I could drop it off. Give it to me.
Okay. Hello.
She's sitting.
No, she's here. She's here.
She went?
We got a different clowny costume. Let's see my clowny boy.
Look, I got a big one.
You got a belly one. You got a belly
Don't worry.
one.
Don't worry. Don't worry.
She brought a whole platter of chicken and...
Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness.
Oh
Can
my
you take my camera and take a picture of it? My goodness.
Plenty of pictures. Take
gracious.
it off. Take it off.
Show Grandma what you got from Auntie Selma. What's in your Mishloach Manot? What'd you get? What's in it?
The mini?
Yeah.
What's in it? What is that?
The mini magic eraser? What's it called?
Magna.
Mini Magna Doodle? You're a lucky boy.
Wow, look at that bird.
Did you get the microphone from Grandma?
Uncle Moshe microphone.
Just came